Do you only ask, "What is your name?" in English? Let's learn 3 better ways to ask it. "What is your name?" is correct. But in real conversations, English speakers often use other natural questions. Here are 3 simple ways to ask someone's name. What's your name? This is the short and very common way. May I know your name? This sounds more polite and formal. Can I have your name, please? This is also polite and often used in offices, hotels, or phone calls. So remember, use "What's your name?" for casual conversations. Use "May I know your name?" or "Can I have your name, please?" in polite situations. What's your name? May I know your name? Can I have your name, please? All are correct. Choose a situation. Subscribe to LELTA for more English lessons. 1 minute a day, better English every day.
1 Minute English by LELTA. Subscribe for more lessons.